All right, so this is kind of a culmination of what we've been doing so that we can identify all the different things. So some of these are going to be figures like this, and some of them are going to be in descriptions. So it's going to kind of bounce back and forth. So it says, what is the value of x? So hopefully at this point we know that these are vertical angles. So this is simply going to be 116, right? We know that the vertical angles are equal to each other. And we know that hopefully at this point, this right here with this right here, those are supplementary angles. So you would do 180 minus 116, but it doesn't ask us that. I'm just kind of reviewing. So this is going to be 116. Okay, then this one says two angles are supplementary. So we need to know what supplementary means. That means that they add up to be 180. So I can give a drawing here. And the measure of one of the angles is 104. What is the measure of the other angle, right? So again, supplementary means it adds up to 180. So we're going to do 180 minus 104, and that's going to get us our missing angle, which is 76. Okay, and again, we could just double check. 76 plus 104 is 180, so we know that that's right. So 76 is our answer. Okay, next up, it gives us another figure, and it says, what is the measure of WYU? So W to Y to U. So it wants the figure in its entirety. So it wants this entire angle. So that one, all we have to do is add them together. And that gets us 72. Okay, this one's another description. So it says two angles are vertical. So again, we need to know that that looks like this, where they come together at an X. And it says the measure of one of the angles is 23. What is the measure of the other angle? Hopefully you know it's the same thing. So it's just going to be 23. Okay, so if you know the vocabulary, this should be a pretty quick little lesson. What is the measure of NOL? So again, I'm going to trace it. NOL, that's a vertical angle, which means it's also 133. Okay, this one here, it says, what is the value of X? So this tells us a lot right here. This tells us that this is a 90-degree angle, and the word for that would be complementary. So supplementary is 180, complementary is 90. So we're going to do 90 minus the 38 to find that missing piece, which is 52. So 52 is our answer there. Okay, and let's see, this one is supplementary, right? It wants VYW. So again, VYW, it's that missing angle right here. So we're just going to do 180 minus 56. So again, it just wants, oops, it wants this piece here, VYW. Oh no, yeah, VYW, this one. So again, this is two angles that add up to a straight line. So it's 180 minus 56, got me 124. So again, hopefully this is just a big review, applying all the things that we've been kind of working through. And what is the measure of RSP? So just make sure you look at the right angle, RSP, it's this entire piece. So 58 plus 62 is 120. So if you need any help, let me know and we can schedule a time to Zoom. If not, 10 points, get more math.